we get halfway across Hoover Dam, then we'll be in the state of Arizona. If you're using your cell phone today to keep track of time, and it automatically updates 2 other time zones, Arizona is 1 hour ahead of Nevada time. Here is Hoover Dam on the left-hand side. You can see the white ring on the other side, on the lake side. That's where the water level was 7 years ago. That's why I said it's pretty dramatic here on the water loss from the drought. And you see here the construction of the bridge. Like I said, it's going to be almost 900 feet above the bottom. And up in front of us, you see these transmission towers leaning over. The same on the canyon walls on the right-hand side. They did this for a reason. There's a lot of iron in these rocks. And if they didn't keep the power lines far enough away from the rocks, they would arc and short out. So that's why these things are angled out. On the left-hand side of the bus, this parking structure visitor center, you see a statue here. This is of the high scaler. If you ever come up here, on the back side of that is a plaque listing the names of those who perished here while working on the dam. And up in front of us at the flagpole, you see 2 statues. They were put here in 1938 to honor the accomplishment, to let the workers know that they did more than just ordinary work here. These are called the winged figures of the Republic, and Hoover Dam folklore.